Hey there, we're the Fosters. My name's Rory, and this is my wonderful boss, Leslie.
Hi, hola, ¿cómo están?
So we started Common Ground in 2001, and we are weekly adding to the videos and content here on this YouTube channel. You can poke around and see a handful of different areas of emphasis. I tend to focus on Spanish for healthcare, and Leslie, what do you work on weekly?
I work on posting lessons weekly. They're called Maestro Miraculous, and they're for teachers that need to learn Spanish in order to communicate with their students, parents, guardians, in order to reach those Spanish-speaking only students in the classroom. So Maestro Miraculous, Spanish lessons for educators.
Yeah, so both of these different groups are Facebook groups as well. So if you're on Facebook, feel free to join us there. My group's Learning Medical Spanish, and yours is called
Maestro Miraculous, Spanish for Educators.
Awesome. So poke around, enjoy the lessons. Hope you can find something that is useful to you. And please feel free to reach out to us. We would be glad to teach lessons specifically requested by you. Have a great day.
Keep learning Spanish. Adios.
Hasta luego.